Hello, my name is Preethi, TRBEEE Padikalam Vanga. Today we are going to see a set of 4 questions based upon the power systems. The first question is, which of them is peak load station? So you can see the 4 different options. So load, it means that the amount of the power in the electrical grid. So normally we can say the base load and the peak load. The base load means what we can say means that is the basic amount of the electricity that is always required, that we call as the base load. Say for example, the base load power plants will be like nuclear power plant, hydroelectric power plant, biogas, biomass, solar, thermal with storage. These are called as base load plants. So peak load plants, it means that the daily fluctuation of electricity use. Am I right? That we call as the peak load. It is usually lowest in the morning and the highest in the early evening. So what are the peak load power plants? It would be like gas plant, solar power plants, wind turbines, diesel generators. These are the things which comes in the category of the peak load station. Yeah, here the question is peak load station. So we can choose the option B, the diesel stations. Okay. The next question is match it. So from this question we are going, that is the voltage varying capacity is given to you, like the primary transmission, distribution, secondary transmission and distribution. So we need to match the corresponding voltage carrying capacity. So the primary transmission means we can choose the option A, nothing but the first one. The primary transmission means the voltage level is 132 kV. Okay, A, we can write A here. Yeah, the primary distribution, it means that we can choose the option as 11 kV. 11 kV, that is called as what? Primary distribution. And the secondary transmission, it is 33 kV. Okay, yeah. And secondary distribution, the voltage level is 400 volt. So please have a glance. You may get these kind of questions in the examination. Yeah. And the third one, yeah. 4 alternators, each rated at 5 MVA, 11 kV with 20% reactance, are working in parallel. The short circuit level at the bus bar is, so you can see 4 different options. Yeah, short circuit MVA, the formula is SC MVA is equal to base MVA. Okay, yeah, base MVA divided by equivalent reactance. Okay, please remember this formula. So from the question you can take the base MVA as 5 and equivalent reactance is 20% they have given to you, but 4 alternators are contained parallel. So what we should do? X equivalent is equal to, we can take 20 by 4 because 4 are connected in parallel. 20 by 4 gives you what? 5%. 5 4s are 20. 5% means in terms of per unit we can say 5 by 100 0.05 pu. Am I right? Now please apply to it. What is the base MVA? 5. 5 by 0.05. So it is 1 by 0.01. So when you take, we can take, the answer will be 100 MVA. Okay, yeah. The answer is 100 MVA. 1 by 0.01 is 100. So we can choose the option D. Okay, yeah. And now we are moving into the fourth question. For which of the following power plants the ratio of the operating cost to the initial cost is least? So you can see the different things like thermal power plant, hydroelectric power plant, nuclear power plant and gas power plant. Yeah, we'll choose the option as. So before that you should have a good idea about it. In the thermal power plant, the initial cost is low and operating cost is very high. In the hydroelectric power plant, the initial cost is high, the operating cost is low. Nuclear power plant, initial cost is high and operating cost is low. Okay, so among the different options, we can choose the option B, hydroelectric power plant, because the operating cost of a hydroelectric power plant is less and the initial cost is very high. Okay, so if you face these kind of questions, you may choose the option B, hydroelectric power plant, the ratio of the operating cost to the initial cost is least. And additional information, you can have thermal, hydro or nuclear and have the comparison. if you get these kind of questions, you can choose accordingly. Okay. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, my dear friends.